Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Logi options not working on or not loading on Mac.
Fix 1. Restart Logi Options Services. Step 1. Click Apple menu, force quit. Step 2. Close Logi Options and Logi Options daemon. Step 3. Restart your Mac. Fix 2. Allow required permissions. Step 1. Go to Apple menu System Settings, Privacy and Security. Step 2. Open Accessibility and Input Monitoring. Step 3. Enable Logi Options and Logi Options daemon. Fix 3. Reinstall Logi Options. Step 1. Uninstall Logi Options from applications. Step 2. Restart your Mac. Step 3. Download and install the latest Logi Options from Logitech. Fix 4. Reset Bluetooth/USB connection. Step 1. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it on. Step 2. Reconnect your Logitech device. Step 3. Open Logi Options again.